What's up guys, Jason Figorski here, going by Figs Fit on Instagram. So today I'm gonna put you through a kettlebell workout. All you need is one bell for this workout and we're gonna work your upper body. So grab your bell and let's get after it. All right, for each exercise, each arm, you're gonna do it 3 times, that's 3 sets. I usually work a rep range between 8 and 12. You're gonna work for 8, but you're gonna push through 12. The first exercise is the alternating push-up with the kettlebell. So you're gonna leave the bell on the ground. The horn's gonna be facing away from you. You're gonna start with one hand on the bell, one hand on the floor. You're gonna do a push-up and you're gonna alternate to the opposite side. All right, your next exercise is the single kettlebell row. So what you're gonna do is gonna get a nice stance under your feet, nice and balanced. You're gonna grab the bell with your right arm. From the ground, you're gonna row up into your hip, all right, and repeat, slow on the way down, slow on the way down. So your next exercise is the single kettlebell press. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your right arm. You're gonna press from your shoulders in a standing position. Your hips should remain square. Don't allow your hips to push out during the exercise. You're gonna press up with the bell over your head. The bell should end up right over your ear, vertical to the ground. So your next exercise is the single kettlebell halo. So what you're gonna do is grab the bell bottoms up. You're gonna grab it by the horns. When you move the bell around your head, your forearm should almost skim the top of your head and the bell should almost skim your back. You're gonna work that around slowly, allowing your shoulders to open up and build more mobility. All right, so your next exercise is the front raise. So what you're gonna do is grab the bell bottoms up. You're gonna grab the bell by the horns. So you're gonna start with the bell at your hips and you're gonna press the bell up in a raised motion, working your shoulders. Your last exercise is the curl to tricep press. So you're gonna grab the bell by the horns as well, bottoms up. You're gonna curl it from your hips up to your chest. You're gonna press over your head into a tricep extension and repeat. All right guys, so grab a kettlebell and give this workout a go. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment your favorite exercise below. Peace.